tonight we're having another a keto quick idea. This one is not cooking, this one is takeout. Because let's face it, sometimes you just want to eat right now. So CJ and I got Jimmy John's tonight. And on their menu, you can get any of their sandwiches wrapped in lettuce instead of their bread, and it's called an unwich. So all you have to do is go in there and pick whatever sandwich you want and just ask for it unwich. And of course you can take off any of the higher carb toppings. Also, if you go online, you're able to look at all of the total carbs for all the sandwiches done as an unwich. But it's a really nice idea. It's quick. It makes it easier to have choices when you want to go out to. You could of course do this for lunch or any other time that you want a quick meal.
What did you get?
I got the Beach Club, and that has turkey, and it had tomato, but I asked for the tomato to be taken off. So it's got turkey and provolone cheese. It's got cucumbers and avocado, and then I asked for bacon. So mine has bacon on it too. And then CJ, you got
Just the Hunter Club?
the Hunter Club, yeah, which is roast beef, provolone, lettuce. Normally has tomato, but you asked for no tomato. And you asked for bacon, and I think you also asked for extra mayo.
Extra mayo.
Yeah. So it's a nice option, choice when you want something quick and you're just hungry and you want to eat. So thanks for watching our keto quick cooking ideas, and remember, it's not always cooking. Sometimes somebody else can do the cooking for you, and that's awesome. So we hope you have a good night. Please subscribe and come back and see us, and we'd love to have you. Good night.